In today's video, I'm going to teach you about Siteground hosting, its cost, the pricing plans available in 2023, and help you with the best plan comparison. If you're considering setting up a website and are exploring hosting options, this guide is perfect for you. First, let's navigate to the Siteground website. You can easily find it by searching for Web Hosting Perfected Siteground on your preferred search engine, or by directly entering the URL into your browser's address bar. Siteground is a well-regarded hosting service known for its excellent support and reliable performance, making it a popular choice among both beginners and seasoned webmasters. Once you're on the homepage, you'll find yourself presented with various hosting options. For today's guide, we're specifically diving into WordPress hosting. So what you need to do next is click on the link to check out the WordPress hosting plans. This will conveniently take you to a page dedicated to their WordPress specific offerings, showcasing the plans available as of 2018. Now you'll be faced with the options for different plans. Siteground offers several tiers tailored to meet various needs, whether you're just getting started with a personal blog or managing a bustling online store. Each plan comes with its own set of features and pricing, giving you the flexibility to choose according to your specific requirements and budget. Selecting a plan is quite straightforward. Look through the details provided for each option. Typically, you'll find plans like Startup, Grow Big, and Go Geek. The Startup plan is generally the most affordable, perfect for those who are just getting their foot in the door. It covers the basics needed for a single website, including essential features like daily backups and unmetered traffic. On the other hand, Grow Big and Go Geek offer more advanced features such as priority support and advanced caching, making them suitable for larger sites or businesses with higher traffic needs. As you browse through the plans, consider what your website will require, both now and as it grows. Think about the expected traffic, the complexity of your site, and whether you might want to host multiple sites on one account. Choosing the right plan is crucial because it impacts your site's performance and growth potential. To finalize your selection, simply click on the plan that suits you best and follow the prompts to secure your hosting. Keep an eye out for any promotional offers, which can provide significant savings on your initial costs. And there you have it, a straightforward, detailed look at Siteground hosting prices and plans. Hopefully this guide helps you in making an informed decision based on your hosting needs. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more insightful guides like this one. Happy hosting with Siteground!